Thanks for staying with us here on Times Now. Viewers, remember, as far as politics in Bihar goes, we're talking about the longest serving chief minister in the state, Nitish Kumar. But there's much more to his tenure as a chief minister all throughout. Let's quickly take you through the breakup, patch-up saga of Nitish Kumar. Here are the details. We start with 2013, wherein after Prime Minister Modi was appointed BJP's poll campaign panel chief, Nitish Kumar quit the NDA. So that's the first breakup of Nitish Kumar with the NDA. In 2015, he led Mahagathbandhan with the RJD and Congress and won the election. So this is the 2015 election we're talking about, wherein he formed a government with the RJD and the Congress. Cut to 2017, where he quit the Gathbandhan, citing graft allegations against Lalu family. So the corruption allegations against the family was a deal breaker back then. By the way, the Lalu family is still under graft cloud. And cut to 2022, Nitish Kumar returned to NDA fold. JDU plus the BJP formed the government in Bihar. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi made it very clear that the chief ministerial phase before the elections also is going to be Nitish Kumar as well. Cut to present, wherein he's dumped the NDA clearly, citing differences, has shaken hand once again with the RJD and the Congress, and the numbers clearly surpassing the current strength of the NDA as well. They have 160, including the left parties, and that's the kind of strength now we're going to be looking at in the coming few hours. Let's quickly listen into more political reactions coming in from the JDU.
नीतीश कुमार बहुत मतलब अपना तरीका से सरकार चलाते हैं, ये अपना ढंग से चलेंगे। जो बड़ी पार्टी है वो सोचेगा कि हम अपना ढंग से चलें, इसलिए कि हमारा बिहार में अच्छा प्रभाव हो, तो यही लास्ट चलते चलते फिर नुकसान होगा बिहार
को नुकसान हो। लेकिन ये जो नीतीश कुमार की एक छवि बन गई है, पहले बीजेपी के साथ, फिर महागठबंधन की सरकार बनी, उसके बाद उसको छोड़कर फिर बीजेपी गया, फिर कहा जा रहा है कि बीजेपी को छोड़कर फिर आरजेडी के साथ जा रहे हैं, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं उनकी छवि को भी तो नुकसान दे रहा है।
वैसे मानिएगा तो बिहार या और देश में कोई ऐसी पार्टी नहीं है जो लोकतंत्र और आपका संविधान का रक्षा करे।
आरजेडी को क्या करना चाहिए, क्योंकि तेजस्वी तो मुख्यमंत्री के दावेदार थे जब चुनाव हुआ था 2020 में, उस दौरान कह रहे थे कि मुख्यमंत्री के दावेदार हैं वो, और अब एक बार फिर नीतीश कुमार के नीचे उनको काम करना पड़ेगा जिस तरह की तस्वीर बन रही है।
अब देखिए, वो नीतीश कुमार के नीचे तो काम करना ही पड़ेगा। डिप्टी सीएम बन जाएंगे तो मान लीजिए बिहार में प्रभाव होगा, पावर होगा, सारा अधिकारी लोग होंगे, सारी मतलब कि बनने से आरजेडी के फायदा है।
All right, let's go across to more reactions coming in. This one from the Lalu family. Once again, we have Rohini Acharya, daughter of Lalu Prasad Yadav, put out yet another tweet. So this tweet talking about all right, this tweet talking about the kingmaker in the current political scenario, and it reads, and I quote, आसमान की बुलंदी से भी ऊंचा उनका ईमान है, जनता जनार्दन का जो अभिमान है. So that's the poster picture that she's put out. Rohini Acharya, daughter of Lalu Prasad Yadav, who also earlier on put out a video, spoke of how it's time for Raj Tilak and the return of the Laltain. So those are the kind of responses coming in from the family of Lalu Prasad Yadav. Several RJD responses coming in. They're already taking to social media to celebrate this mega victory. Remember, the RJD, the single largest party, so the numbers clearly stacked in their favor, but with RJD, JDU and the left combined, it's certainly a big victory coming in for the Mahagathbandhan, and celebrations have now begun in the Parivar. We saw how earlier, close to 2 hours ago, she put out a video. This was a song by one of the famous singers from the state of Bihar, wherein she tweeted that video and said, Raj Tilak ki karo tayari, Laltain Dhari. That's what she said earlier on, and now she's put out this poster on your screens talking about the kingmaker in the political scenario currently playing out in Bihar. With that, it's time for us to head into a very short break. Non-stop political reactions on the other side. Stay tuned.